Waking to the golden light, he found himself alone. The road offered no comfort, only the stark reality of his injuries. The fog hung heavy that morning, clinging to the quiet asphalt. He waited there, a silhouette against the gray.
Why me?
His scars are a roadmap of the past, each one a reminder of the suffering he endured just to survive. His stomach growls, reminding him of hunger.
He stands unsteadily, shaking but determined.
The Thartov is wheel, line, your. The Samar Sukf of your Trucy wear?
The dog remembers warm days under sunlight.
He once ran freely through open fields.
Laughter echoed, but faces are now forgotten.
That collar carries memories of belonging.
The memories fade, replaced by cold reality. Days turned into weeks since the silence fell. He moved carefully through the ruins, a solitary survivor in a forgotten world.
Ouch! My paw hurts.
He limps but refuses to stop.
He thought he knew what loneliness felt like, until the sky opened up and the streets emptied. Water washes dust and blood away.
Cold rain makes his body shiver.
Yet his eyes still search forward. Night falls, bringing fear and silence. Streetlights flicker like dying hope.
Sleep offered an escape from the cold reality of the broken world. He dreamed, perhaps, of a time before the walls fell.
Pain overwhelms his tired body.
He whimpers softly into the darkness.
Sleep comes mixed with painful dreams.
As the sun painted the sky with its vibrant palette, a new day began.
The dog slowly opened its eyes, a clear sign that it was still alive.
The path is steep, the wind is harsh, but true strength is measured not in the absence of struggle, but in the refusal to yield.
Survival was a daily struggle. Every discarded morsel meant another day lived on the fringes of the city.
Strength returns, little by little. Days pass. Wounds begin healing.
The limp slowly becomes lighter.
Muscles grow stronger with each step. Every street is a new lesson. The dog observes the paths, the shifting shadows, and the scent of the city. Fear turns into awareness. His heightened sense of smell, a vital tool for finding scraps, helped him detect approaching danger, allowing him to escape larger predators.
One morning, the dog runs freely.
His tail rises with confidence.
Scars remain, but spirit shines.
Laughter echoed, but faces are now forgotten.
He once ran freely through open fields.
Ouch! My paw hurts.
Yet his eyes still search forward.
Water washes dust and blood away.